What's up? You think I brought you some kitty food? Here. Here you go, Mousy. Here you go. I mean, Miso, not Mousy. Here. A Ferrero Rocher. Yeah, you're just gonna play with it, aren't you? I'm not gonna let you eat it, but you can play with it. Oh, no, actually, I don't want you to play with it, but I don't know. You're curious what it is? Yeah, it's not a toy, but it's also not food. Inspection complete. No. Excuse me. Excuse me, Miso. Did you just put my Ferrero Rocher under the box freezer? Did you see that, Mousy? Yeah, I got my bubbly box out here. Because sometimes my kitties play with it. Yeah, excuse me, I have to move the box freezer now. Thanks, Miso. That was my chocolate. Okay, gonna go get my chocolate now.